Welcome to Spark Joy, our family-friendly puzzle channel. I've teamed up with my daughters to create this super cute quiz to find out which farm animal you're most like. Keep track of your points and get your results at the end of the video. Let's get to it. What's your go-to breakfast? A protein shake or something energizing? A light on-the-go snack like yogurt? Something hearty and filling? Pancakes and syrup, please.
How do you like to spend a lazy afternoon? Lounging with snacks and a good movie? Sitting in the sun and enjoying the peace? Moving around and staying busy with little tasks? Playing at the park and gym?
What's your ideal group interaction? Laid back, but I'll speak up if I need to? Social and always in the mix? I'd take the lead or go solo if needed. I like small, close-knit circles.
How do you deal with conflict? Get a little frustrated, but bounce back quickly. Avoid it if possible. I like my comfort. Stay calm and try to keep the peace. Face it head on with strength and confidence. How do you work best? With a steady routine and a to-do list? In a relaxed, stress-free environment? With clear goals and room to move, multitasking and staying active.
What's your favorite vacation destination? A big city full of life and sights to see? A hiking adventure in the mountains? A cozy countryside retreat? A spa or oceanside resort?
How would your friends and family describe you? Easygoing and fun-loving? Dependable and gentle? Curious and chatty? Driven and bold? What word describes you best? Determined, independent, playful, patient.
What's your biggest weakness? Sometimes I move a little too slowly. I may avoid responsibilities. I may come off as stubborn. I can be a little anxious.
What motivates you most? Friends and community, challenges and accomplishments. A sense of peace and balance, comfort and relaxation.
Now it's time to add up your points to find out which farm animal you are.
If you had less than 175 points, you're a cow. That means you're calm, grounded, and dependable. Just like a cow in the pasture, you're content with the simple pleasures. Don't be afraid to shake things up and try something new every now and then.
If your points were in between 175 and 249, then you're a chicken. You're curious, social, and full of energy. Whether you're pecking away at a new project or clucking it up with your friends, your lively personality keeps things interesting. Beware of burnout. Give yourself permission to rest and recharge without guilt.
If your points were in between 250 and 325, then you're a pig. You're easygoing, fun-loving, and know how to enjoy the good things in life. Whether it's relaxing with snacks, chilling in cozy spots, or being around your close friends, you bring a chill vibe to every barnyard. Stay motivated and don't let comfort keep you from chasing bigger goals.
If you had more than 325 points, then you're a horse. You are strong, determined, and full of spirit, and aren't afraid to gallop toward what you want. Whether it's leading the charge or running your own race, you're always on the move and chasing your goals.
Make sure you slow down sometimes. Rest is just as important as drive when it comes to long-term success.
Let us know which farm animal you are in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and take this Spark Joy challenge next.